Hello guys, so today I am going to do the identifying shape attributes. So it says right here, an attribute is a characteristic, write the attributes of each shape. So guys, I already answered the questions. So right here, as you can see, it's a circle. So I wrote, circle has no sides or corners. So right here, there's no sides or corners. So there's only like curves. And right here, as you can see, it's a triangle. So I wrote triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles. So there are 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 angles. So right here, as you can see guys, down here, it's a square. So I wrote square has 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 angles. So right here guys, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. So down here guys, as you can see, it's a rectangle. So I wrote rectangle has 4 sides, 4 angles. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, like a square, but stretched out. So, as you can see down here, it's a hexagon. So, I wrote hexagon has 6 sides, 6 angles. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. So down here, it's a star. So I wrote star has 10 edges, 5 angles or corners. So right here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 edges. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. So right here, 5 angles and 10 edges. So as you can see here, it's a trapezoid. So I wrote trapezoid has 2 slanted edges, 2 straight edges, and 4 angles. So the 2 slanted edges are right here and here. And the 2 straight edges are right here and here. And so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. And these are the 2 straight edges, and these are the 2 slanted edges. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. So down here is a rhombus. So I wrote rhombus has 4 sides, 4 angles. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. So that is a rhombus. So over here, it says continue on the next page. So this is the next page. So right here, as you can see, I wrote I drawed a oval. So I wrote oval has curved edges and 0 angles. So there's no angles like corners are no and has curved edges. So right here. So right here, as you can see, it's a pentagon. So I wrote pentagon has 5 sides, 5 angles. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. Right here, guys, as you can see, it's an octagon. So I wrote octagon has 8 sides, 8 angles. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 sides, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles. And right here it says describe each of the 3D shapes. So right here are all the 3D shapes. There are a cube, a cylinder, a cone, and a pyramid. So I wrote for the cube, as you can see right here, so I wrote 6 square faces, 8 and 8 vertices or corners. So there are 1 and the back ones right here, there's 1, 2, and the one on top is 3. And you can see the ones on the forward on the right here, but these are the faces too. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's have 1 on the bottom. So that makes 6 square faces. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices or corners. So right here, I drawed a cylinder. So I wrote a cylinder is a 3D shape with 2 identical circular faces at each end. 1 curved side, no edges or vertices. So these are the 2 identical circular faces and 1 curved side and no edges. So no edges there. And down here I drawed a cone. So I wrote a cone has 1 face with no edges, 1 vertex. The cone has a circular base and a curved surface. So this is the 1 face on the bottom of this cone and with no edges. So right here, no edges and 1 vertex. So, and the cone has a circular base. Like on top, you still see a circle, and on the bottom, you still see a circle. So down here is the last one. It's a pyramid. So I wrote a pyramid is a 3-dimensional shape. It has a polygonal base and flat triangular faces which join at a common point called the apex. So the apex is this top right here, this small top. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 sides and one triangular face on the bottom. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. And the apex is on the top right here. So guys, there are 3-dimensional shape. It has a polygonal base and flat triangular faces which join a common point called the apex. So that is the pyramid right here. So guys, I hope you learn identifying shape attributes. So bye. Let's do it like that. Like that.